Wake up, she in the kitchen, look good without makeup. Count money, got paper cuts, orange juice in a paper cup. I get bread and play the cut, get fed and fuck and squeeze shorty butt. Yo, ma, the fuck is up? Try and get a nut, ride the tuck. I dump out the window with a truck, everybody duck, use a duck. We count geese, for that we pay cheese. A nigga need a triple beam and fire green. Alameen, that's the ancestors. Rep the hood with hand gestures. Survive pressure from where niggas lesser. Try and make a little extra. Be the smoothest texture. Your shit be like polyester. It's a fiesta. How do I live my life? How do I get right? You see the light one time. How do I get by? Get high as the sky. Flip highs to stay fly. How do I live my life? How do I get right? You see the light one time. How do I get by? Get high as the sky. Flip highs to stay fly. Got a life, cheap wine, set at home like what a poem. Wrote this shit in my phone. Defense, you play zone. I'm in the man, fly shit. You thought I seen that, but damn, that's just how I am. That's me, like Killer Cam. My niggas hop out the van, sacrifice the lamb. Only one rule, guard your fam. Harvest land, get your money up. I'm doubling mine. Been through troubling times, bubbling coke, running with lokes. Get your rib poke. All facts, we ain't telling jokes. They don't want smoke, more like Cheerio. Really though, snub nose without the cereal. I plan to be imperial, the best of the best. I'm here. My shit touch your soul, shed a tear. Yeah. How do I live my life? How do I get right? You see the light one time. How do I get by? Get high as the sky. Flip highs to stay fly. How do I live my life? How do I get right? You see the light one time. How do I get by? Get high as the sky. Flip highs to stay fly.